दिगंबर कामत काँग्रेस पक्ष सोडचो ना, विधानसभा वेंचणूक हारिल्ल्यान तो बेजारला अशें विधान काँग्रेसीचे राज्य प्रभारी दिनेश गुंडू राव हाणें केलां. दिगंबर काँग्रेस पक्षाचो ज्येष्ठ फुडारी तांच्या फुडारपणा खाला विधानसभा वेंचणुके वेळार काम जाल्ले. पक्षा खातीर इतकें काम करून काँग्रेस वेंचणूक हारलो म्हूण तो बेजारला. मात तो पक्ष सोडचो ना, आपले ताचे कडेन उलोवप जालां. तांची कांय खासगी कामां आशिल्ल्या कारणान तो पक्षाच्या कांय बसकांक हजर रावंक ना अशें दिनेश गुंडू राव हाणें सांगलें.
No, he had already told us that he will not be able to come because of a wedding he had to attend. Secondly, he is a senior leader, and I would not want to say too many things. But I also spoken with him, and he's also attended a few programs of the Congress recently, and the statute program also he was there. And tomorrow also he is attending the program, and he's a senior leader. And after this elections, he put his heart and soul into this election, and he was our person who led the campaign. So there's a disappointment in him that we could not get the blessings of the people. That we worked so hard, we campaigned, we did everything. And ultimately, we could not win, and we could not get the result that he wanted, or we all wanted. So there is some sense of disappointment. That's it. But I don't see it being anything more than that.
So how do you get the point?